Hello tonight, I am Sean Van Ginkel, a sophomore here at Silver Lake College, presenting you with If Ever I Would Leave You, a traditional show song from a very traditional show, Camelot, in which one of the main characters, Lancelot, tries very hard to win over the woman of his dreams, even though she keeps pushing him away. If ever I would leave you, it wouldn't be in summer. Seeing you in summer, I never would go. Your hair streaked with sunlight, your lips red as flame, your face with the luster that puts gold to shame. But if I'd ever leave you, it wouldn't be in autumn. How I'd leave in autumn, I never would know. I've seen how you sparkle when fall is the air. I know you in autumn, and I must be there. Or could I leave you running merrily through the snow? Or on a wintry evening when you catch the fire's glow? If ever I would leave you, it wouldn't be in springtime, knowing how in spring I'm bewitched by you so. Oh no, not in springtime, summer, winter, or fall. No, never would I leave you. If ever I would leave you, it wouldn't be in springtime, knowing how in spring I'd be raised by you.